Using coupons on Temu is an easy way to save money on your purchases. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you redeem your coupons or apply your coupon code when shopping on Temu in 2024. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Temu app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, simply browse products and tap Add to Cart. Once you have added all items you want to, then simply tap the cart icon in the bottom to proceed to checkout. Now, here, simply tap on the checkout option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the checkout, simply scroll down and look for the apply coupon option available there. And tap on the apply coupon option available. Now, type the code example Temu 2024 and press apply, and the discount will be applied to your order in total. Then select your preferred payment method and confirm and place your order. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.